everybody, welcome back to the shop. I apologize, I'm a little late getting this video to you, but this is the 30% off Harbor Freight sale. You know it's my favorite sale of the year, and here it is Friday night, and I'm just getting it out to you. Why is that? Well, unfortunately, I've been without power for the last 2 days. Yeah, we had one hell of a storm come through here. Knocked my power out, really kind of, put me into nothing to do mode for a while. And unfortunately, I'm just getting this to you on Friday evening. So the good news is the weekend is when this sale really happens. It's the 30% off all items $10 and under. If you're an Inside Track Club member, it's $20 and under. And you could have taken advantage of this sale a few days earlier, but since I'm late getting it to you, this is for everybody now, because anybody can take advantage of this sale at $10 and under. 5 items every day. You could do that still Friday night tonight, all day Saturday, and all day Sunday. Why is this a great sale, guys? Because Harbor Freight has a lot of supply type items that are under $10 that you can really take advantage of. I'm going to be honest. I'm going to talk about something here today that I didn't think I'd ever talk about. It's this little outdoor light. It's a pop-up light, and it's very inexpensive. It falls into the under $10 price point, so this is good to get during this sale. This was a godsend for me during the power outage. It is not the brightest light in the store. It's probably the least amount of lumens of any light Harbor Freight sells. But what is good about it? It has 3 LED strips in angles that cover a 360-degree range. What is that great for? When you're walking around your house with no power and you hold this, it's lighting around you for 360 degrees. That chair leg that's going to stub your little toe, you see it. The little thing over there you're going to knock over, you see it. This thing was a godsend with the power out, and it's very inexpensive. I'll put the price below so you know exactly how much it is. But you can get these for under $10 at Harbor Freight right now and get them at 30% off. If you don't need these lights, well, you know what? What else can you get at Harbor Freight? You can get their clamps. You can get the squeeze clamps. You can get the F clamps. You know I love the clamps at Harbor Freight. Both of them are excellent deals. You can never have enough clamps. So realistically, guys, I know I'm a little late. I apologize for that, but get out to Harbor Freight this weekend. Save yourself some money. Get you some clamps. Take a look at this little guy here. He really worked for me. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next one.